What's up guys, कैसे हो? Eleonora, hope everyone is doing great. Just sat for editing, time is almost 10:25 in the night. Also all the boxes are here. Did not start packing yet like properly. I just keep everything outside like this, and whenever I get something in my mind that I have to put, I just open the box and put it so that I don't forget it. That's one more pro traveler tip. Jacket is ready, riding pants are ready, helmet is ready. Actually I told you guys that I'll be getting a new helmet, right? But I didn't do that because this time I think I'll live with this one last trip. After this, after I come back properly, I'll research about good helmets and then get it, instead of just going and buying some helmet like that. I have plans to get the K6 AGV K6, but people are saying it's more of a sporty helmet. Go for a touring helmet. So I think I'll properly do some research and then plan a proper helmet, because we need to put a lot of money for a helmet. Usually these helmets don't come cheap. This baby costs approximately 75,000 plus. Anyways, these things aside, all dabbas are empty right now. I mean, all this is like almost empty. Half of this is junk, just like storage. Actually I don't know what all is there in these boxes. Khali. Bang bang is pretty new, so I'll have to fill this up. I think I'll start putting my clothes outside tomorrow. Thoda istri karke, then I'll put it in the box. For now time is 10:30 p.m, which means edit will take at least 3 to 4 hours, 1:30, 2:30, and then I have to sleep. Tomorrow early morning I have to get up and I have to go hit the gym. And also back with the Mama Earth Upton face wash. I started using the Upton face wash once again as my skincare routine. First you need to use this sulfate-free Upton face mask. The Upton face mask main ingredient is saffron. Saffron is known to clear the spots you have on your skin, and it also helps in achieving that lighter skin tone. It's got turmeric. I need not tell you the benefits you have from turmeric on your skin. It's got apricot oil, it's got cucumber extract. All these ingredients have this antioxidants, vitamins. They slow down the aging process and help your skin stay fresh and bright. First, cleanse your face with this Upton face wash, which is sulfate free. Apply a generous layer of this face mask. Keep it for 15 minutes and then scrub it off with water. I use it like once to twice a week. Also, the face wash has amazing ingredients in it with saffron and turmeric and apricot oil. All these products are dermatologically tested, and the best part is they suit all skin types. And I think now it's like a proper festive season. It's a wedding season. We have a wedding in our family. I think you can make good use of Upton and achieve that nice glowing skin, that bright skin on your face. Mama Earth is not just filled with goodness inside, but also inside the values it stands for. Every time you buy something from their website, they will link your order on the website to a tree that they planted. The exact geolocation, the picture of the tree and the species is going to be sent to you. And the other goodness initiative is they are plastic positive, which means they recycle more plastic than they use. Currently they recycle a massive 120 metric tons of plastic every single month. All Mama Earth products are chemical free and they use natural ingredients. You can use Reman 2020 on Mama Earth and get flat 20% off. Also, these products are available on Amazon, Flipkart and Mama Earth. All the links will be in the description box below. Now I'll do a little bit of packing, little bit of editing, and tomorrow we have a little bit of shopping to do. Everything is little bit, but expenses are going up and up and up. Okay, now let's go. I have this work. I need to start doing some shopping. Naisha always wonders what is this guy doing with this huge camera, right? No, actually she's used to it now. Say hi, Nacho. Hello, bolo. Hello, bolo. She's shy. Okay, I've got some basic shopping to do for the upcoming trip. I need to fill all these boxes, right? Genuinely, I need to buy some shirts, t-shirts, dry fit t-shirts for the ride. I'm talking about the shirts that I wear inside my riding jacket. I'm gonna do that shopping along with, I think, Srujan and Chaitanya and Charan mostly. See you in the car. Or the bike. I'm planning to, actually I thought I'll take the street one and go. Let's see, because there's gonna be a little bit of shopping covers and all that. Bike way, that is a problem. I think I'll take the car. Seriously don't know here what is happening with Hyderabad's climate. It's November, mid-November, and look at the clouds. Good thing I'm taking the car and going. Also, I'm pretty sure once I take the bike, it will start pouring heavy rain. Come.
Bye, Chap.
Bye. Bye.
Mom, Dad, bye. No tension on the babai. నీకు టెన్షన్.
She really is scared with the car. That is because of the motion sickness. Actually, we consulted the doctor regarding this. The doctor gave us some medicine, but he said long trips may. Can I go from here? One second. So we told the doctor that we're gonna do some road trips and all. Naisha is like puking every time we take her out, like just for 10 minutes in the car. Now she's fine. She's getting used to it, but still not up to the mark. We can't do like proper road trips. He gave us some drops. He said put these drops when you're doing like long road trips, more than 5 hours. We should try that. Let's see if that works. Well and good. And seriously, man, what is happening? Proper cloud cover, like it looks like proper monsoon season. Dear nature, the reason we are doing this ride soon is because it is clear skies. Now don't ruin our plans, please.
టేక్ 3 కావాలా నీకు?
This is called జీవించడం, not even నటించడం. This is called జీవించడం.
అలవాటు అయిపోయిందిరా.
He saw the camera from there, went back again, he came with a pose. What's up, Chaitanya?
Meghna Pranav. What's up?
Yeah.
వెళ్తున్నారు.
Oh.
We have to follow them to their house.
Oh yeah?
Then we have to pick up Pranav and come to AMB.
డ్రైవర్ పని చేసింది నాకు ఇవాళ.
You made us take photos. Photo credit Chai on 2 wheels. Literally like every third photo. Every second will be Srujan _ Bharadwaj _ ఏదో ఉంటాయి.
That's because he's my second wife, bro. He's my third wife, bro. And see, literally I'm going to shopping with him. I'm going to shopping with him, not my wife. ఏం కొనుక్కోవాలి షాపింగ్ లో?
డ్రై ఫిట్.
డ్రై ఫిట్ అంటావు, ఇంకేమో గలీజ్ చెప్పేమో అనుకున్నా.
కడ్రైర్ కొనుక్కోవాలి. జస్ట్ జల్సా రెఫరెన్స్. టేక్ 2 రా. మనం అసలే రీటేక్ ఆర్టిస్ట్ కదా.
కష్టపడి చెప్పింది.
మనం అసలే రీటేక్ ఆర్టిస్ట్ కదా.
ఇగో డబ్బులు ఇస్తే ఇట్లా చింపిస్తారంట. అరే if you give less amount they will give nice pants. If you give more they'll give you all this.
Okay, take a left here. ఇక్కడ
చిల్లర్ ఏరియా, you know, all this is, look at all this
చిల్లర్ అంట అడేందో అడే చెప్పుకుంటాడు. వరల్డ్స్ సెకండ్ బిగ్గెస్ట్ మాల్ అది
పేరేంటి? శరత్
సిటీ రా. సిటీ మాల్ కదా.
మాల్ పేరు ఉన్నది.
అజుడు మేయర్ ఉన్నాయారా ఇట్లా ఫ్లైఓవర్లు
అన్ని సగం ఆగిపోయిన ఫ్లైఓవర్లు మస్తున్నాయి ఇట్లాంటివి మా దగ్గర. ఆ మూల చెట్లు ఏంటి, మూల రోడ్
అది గార్డెన్ బొటానికల్ గార్డెన్ రా.
దీని కింద పార్కింగ్ ఏంటి, ఇల్లీగల్ పార్కింగ్.
ఇల్లీగల్ పార్కింగ్ అది అప్రూవ్డ్ రే. క్యాజువల్ పార్కింగ్
ఇల్లీగల్ ఏరియా.
అది క్యాజువల్ పార్కింగ్. ఇది ఎలా
వాడు చెట్టు కింద ఏమో చేస్తున్నాడు.
ఏం చేస్తా ఎవడరా నువ్వు చెప్పురా.
చూడరా
ఫోన్ మాట్లాడుతుండ్రా.
పోస్తున్నాడు
ఫోన్ మాట్లాడుకుంటూ కట్ చేస్తుండు.
రోడ్ మీద మిట్ట మధ్యాహ్నం ట్రాఫిక్ ఆపి చెట్లు కట్ చేస్తున్నాడు. సగం మట్టి ఉంది రోడ్ అంతా, కార్నర్స్ అంతా.
నువ్వు 5 years బ్యాక్ చూడలే, మొత్తం మట్టి ఉండే. ప్రోగ్రెస్ చూసినా ఇంకో 5 years అవుతురా మొత్తం స్మూత్
సాల్ట్ పేలాగా డాంబరేశ్వర్ లైట్ గా.
చూడు మళ్ళీ కండలు చూపించుకుని ఇట్లా అంటుండు.
నాకు చూసిన మావాడు నా కండల మీదే ఉంది ఎప్పుడు. నేను వేరే చూపిస్తున్నాను, కండలనే చూస్తున్నాడు. నువ్వు జెల్ వచ్చేస్తున్నారా మీరు ఇట్లా? బిఫోర్ ఐ స్విచ్ ఆన్ ద కెమెరా యూ షుడెంట్ కమ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. వాట్స్ అప్ ప్రణవ్?
Hey, what's up?
We had a doubt regarding the car. What was that?
అరే XC40 చూసినాం రా.
No, generally on any car it's written D, right? Piche.
Once upon a time it used to actually mean something. Now it's like 3 greater than 2 greater than 4 atla.
So D, does it mean D means diesel?
Yeah, for Volvo D is diesel, T is turbo petrol.
T is turbo petrol. For every car is different then.
So he's saying that I was right.
You're right. Okay. Edothlera. What's the plan?
I am going to window shop. My favorite activity.
By the way, actually Pranav had to come with us. Pranav బండి కొన్నప్పటి నుంచి ఇప్పుడు దాకా మాతో ఒక్క రైడ్ కూడా రాలేదు. ఆల్ బ్రేక్ఫాస్ట్ దోశ, ఇడ్లీ దోశ రైడ్స్ తప్పితే there are no big rides. When will you come? Oh, Feb, we are having a huge plan, like a crazy big plan. First you need to put the mask. Second thing, you have to put the camera inside the car. I'm waiting for the day when they'll allow these huge cameras and let us vlog inside.
You want to vlog inside?
We can't. When they see this camera, they freak out. But
That's
you can use an
GoPro
iPhone.
bit call bag low.
You can use the iPhone. GoPro would freak out.
GoPro also.
Anything that looks like a camera, they get freaked out. So let's do some shopping and I'll see you guys in the evening. Just keep the shop here. Charan is there with his software shorts. Pranav gave that name. Software shorts. And software shoes, huh? No, these are...
These are beach,
not beach.
The Hawaii Richard uncle shoes. Software shorts.
Software shorts. What is
Basti
it?
shirt.
Chintal Basti shirt. And we have Chaitanya shopping there. As usual, he'll not like anything so easily.
iPhone.
Arnav is saying we'll have insurance for cameras. I'm not sure about that. Do you guys know anything? If at all you have something, let me know, yaar. Seriously, we need to get such stuff insured. Pretty expensive equipment we use.
Fancy camera lens. నాకు ఇచ్చేసి.
You'll know the weight of it. Chaitanya was just saying it's too heavy to handle.
You can skip upper body day.
Chaitanya already left. He was getting late, it seems.
I'm about to get late.
All people, you know, they have lots of money in Hyderabad. Not like us poor. They're very rich people, okay? Like ultra rich people. See, Audi Q8. Just like randomly thrown there.
See, one random Velar.
Seriously?
One random Jaguar. 2 days it went to 10 degrees.
It is cold. Oh yeah. It seems in history of Hyderabad, it's the first time it, like in the last 2 decades, this is the lowest. 12.8 degrees recorded recently. You're saying 10 degrees? I don't know where is
10 degrees, I think in...
BHL
దగ్గర 10 degrees వచ్చి.
This time everything is so extreme, na? Rains were extreme. Our car bhi gaya usme accident. Floods mein. Okay, actually plan was to go back home, but then I checked traffic. Traffic is like crazy. It's showing 1.5 hours to go back to my home, dude. I thought we'll stop over. Charan just called me on time and he said that Shiva is gonna meet us in orbit and I have to eat my tiffin box. But don't worry, Charan hates my tiffin box because he doesn't diet.
నేను తినకపోతే why would I hate?
But I'll keep you engaged. I'll keep you engaged. Don't worry. Play around with this.
Play into naave.
iPad Pro.
Keyboard
iPad Pro 12.9 inch 256 GB Wi-Fi.
Keyboard.
No, keyboard is freaking 32,300 something.
ఇక్కడ పెట్టుకో చూడు ఎంత ఉందో. దీనికన్నా అది బాగుంది చూడు.
అక్కడ కింద పడితే నీకు బిల్ వేస్తారు రే. Oh, by the way, I got the third party case. It costed me just how much? 1,200 rupees. But I think we can't put the car on like this. Let me finish my tiffin box. Shiva is here already?
వచ్చేసి ఉంటాడు.
Let me finish my tiffin box jelly and go meet him. Congratulations, Shiva. Welcome, Shiva, to the Apple family. The reason he bought Apple is today morning he saw my video, it seems. iPad Pro. He got influenced. And thanks to Shiva, actually we unboxed it already to activate the Apple Care. They did it. But it's okay. They've wrapped it again back so that we can unbox it again. We'll uncover it. No, we'll unbox it up. Shiva is giving us a party now. Hey, Mali music? ఇందాక ఇచ్చిన టీరా నువ్వు టాడా కొంచెం పర్లే అరే అట్లా కొట్టకరా కొత్త కేస్ మాత్రమే దట్ జస్ట్ ద కేస్ You already see the excitement in his face when you get an Apple device, Apple product. You'll be like this. Oh, by the way, it seems Shiva lost 5 kgs now. 6.
ఈ రోజు పొద్దున చెక్ చేస్తే 5.8 మరి రోజు ఎఫర్ట్ పెడుతున్నప్పుడు రోజు
This
చెక్
is the
చేసుకోవాలి.
iPhone 12 Pro Max, Kia Seltos GTX Turbo DCT.
28 GB.
Shiva, that's not the way you unbox an Apple product. Koncham care to, koncham love to.
28 GB graphite.
Actually, it was already opened. This is unboxing second time. Come on, unbox happiness. Oh, one more thing. Oh, forgot. The case, the iPhone, and the welcome to the ecosystem. Adana actually.
బేసికలీ నువ్వు ఓపెన్ చేయాల్సింది వేరే.
ఏంటి కేసా బిలియా రాక్షసుడా
That's the AirPods Pro. Nice.
గుర్తుంది కదా
Nice.
నీ దైని బిల్లు కూడా నాకే ఇస్తే ఎలా
Wow.
ఓ దీనికి కూడా అడాప్టర్ ఇవ్వరా
USB-C నైస్. ఓ నైస్.
Oh, now the funny thing is, you don't have a charging brick in this. I mean, you get only the phone and the cable. And Shiva has to buy a brick now.
Brick is not there in the Apple store also.
Brick is not available in Aptronics. Aptronics पे कुछ नहीं रहता. I told you. Nothing will be there except for iPhones, AirPods. That's it. Actually, Shiva wanted to get the Apple Watch as well. Seamless. See, seamless. Either open here and it came here.
పెట్టి పేరు చేస్తాం.
The whole ecosystem is here. The phone, the AirPods Pro, case. Actually, watch is not available. Otherwise, it would be here.
అరే ఇది ఇంకా చూడలేదా? ఏ కలర్ గెస్ట్ చేయి.
Guess చేయాలా నేను?
ఇందాక ఆల్రెడీ నేను గ్రాఫైట్ అని గట్టిగా వచ్చాను.
Wow. Actually, I wanted to get the blue one, but then it was not available here. Like once again, Aptronics, nothing is available. Nice. Fresh out of the oven.
నేను ఈ సిలికాన్ కేస్ స్పాన్సర్ చేస్తాను. విచ్ ఇస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫర్ మీ.
That is also not cheap.
హౌ మచ్ ఇస్ దిస్?
5,000.
5,000 సిలికాన్ కవర్.
అరే ఇట్స్ క్వైట్ హెవీ.
It is heavy. You have such a huge glass, and peachy also you have glass. You're holding like almost 12 inches of glass. Oh, now you'll need to buy a magnetic charger next year.
ఎందుకు?
They'll remove the bricks as well, complete. They'll remove the port as well. Oh, అయిపోయింది కూడా.
చాలా ఉన్నాయి అన్బాక్సింగ్.
పర్లే మెయిన్ ప్రోడక్ట్స్ అయిపోయినాయి. కంగ్రాట్స్. చిట్కెల్.
ఇంకా యాక్చువల్లీ స్లిప్పరీ ఉందిరా.
లేదు మెల్లగా ఇది అవుతుంది, రఫ్ అయిపోతుంది. నైస్. This is the Pro Max. My hands are pretty huge, but still I feel it's a little bit big. Shiva is used to such a huge phone. He had the...
Note 9.
I have to show your phone first. This fell in Ladakh,
That
this
is
fell
the
in Sikkim, this fell on the National Highway 5 at
That's
120
the
kilometers an
second
hour.
phone.
And this is the second phone.
This is the exchange.
So you dropped that phone on Nagpur Highway, and this is that replacement. And this is also broken. Broken అన్నారు దీన్ని, రాసుకపోయింది అంటారు.
This one
కోసపోతుందిరా కరెక్ట్గా వాడితే.
The glass is so broken.
సీట్ మీద పెట్టాడు.
See this?
హెల్మెట్ తీసాడంట. ఫోన్ రాయి మీద పడిందంట.
You definitely deserve a new phone.
I definitely need an Apple Care Plus.
Yes, that is the most important thing. You took an Apple Care Plus as well. You've done a great job.
అవునా?
Welcome to the ecosystem once again.
So why Pro Max and why not Pro?
No idea. Battery life.
First main thing.
Shiva,
ఒరిజినల్ నుంచి తెచ్చుకుంటున్నా.
ఇక్కడతో ఆగదు. Next you'll buy the iPad Pro, MacBook Pro,
iPad,
Apple Pencil, Apple Card.
pencil.
So then finally done with almost all the shopping needed for Diwali. Actually Diwali ke liye I'm not shopping much. Main it is for the ride itself, and I'm going back home now. Yet to have my dinner and all that. I hope you guys have liked this video. In case you did, do hit the like button, do share, and do not forget to subscribe in case you're still not. Upcoming vlogs are going to be super duper exciting. Rides are going to start. I'm going to be almost there for 9 to 10 days of a proper hardcore adventure tour, and that is one of the main reasons you need to hit the subscribe button.